Struggling with GCSE physics? Don't worry. We've got the ultimate top 10 tips to help you revise smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Tip 1. Master the core concepts. Physics isn't just about memorizing facts. Focus on understanding key principles like forces, energy, electricity, and waves. Once you grasp the why, the how becomes easier. Tip 2. Know your equations inside out. GCSE physics has a load of formula. Don't just memorize them. Practice applying them in different scenarios. Create flashcards with the equation on one side and an example problem on the other. Tip 3. Use active revision techniques. Instead of passively reading notes, try mind maps, flashcards, or teaching concepts to a friend. Active learning boosts retention and helps identify gaps in your understanding. Tip 4. Practice with past papers. Past papers are your best friend. They help you get familiar with question formats, exam timings, and common topics. Always review the mark schemes to understand what examiners are looking for. Tip 5. Don't neglect units and significant figures. Marks are often lost on small errors like incorrect units or rounding mistakes. Always check units in your answers and make sure your significant figures match the question's requirements. Tip 6. Connect theory with real-life examples. Physics is all around us. Relate topics like kinematics to sports, electric circuits to gadgets, or thermodynamics to cooking. It makes concepts easier to remember. Tip 7. Master graph interpretation. Graphs are common in physics exams. Practice reading and interpreting velocity time graphs, force extension graphs, and energy diagrams. Know how to calculate gradients and areas under curves. Tip 8. Tackle the tricky topics early. Don't save difficult topics like magnetism, nuclear physics, or electromagnetism for last. Break them into smaller chunks and revisit them regularly to build confidence. Tip 9. Use the Pomodoro technique. Struggling to stay focused? Try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused study followed by a 5-minute break. It keeps your brain fresh and prevents burnout. Tip 10. Stay calm and exam ready. Finally, don't panic during the exam. Read questions carefully, underline key information, and plan your answers. Remember, a calm mind thinks clearly. Revision doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right strategies, you'll be ready to ace your GCSE physics exam. Good luck from 121 Private Tutor.